outfit.
Me too.
Hey, can I get a candy bar?
Me too.
Yeah, sure. You're under arrest. Let's go.
Come with me.
For what? What for?
Doesn't matter.
I hereby demand the expulsion of these students from all public colleges.
And the twilight's last gleaming. Who's the KKK? Ah! Should we do something about that?
No, they can fend for themselves.
The country needs to see this. We're still fighting.
You're right. Harry, phone the Times.
I'm on it.
Hello? Yes, this is Harry Fosdick, and I'm here with Bayard Rustin and Philip Randall. There was a huge protest yesterday to the Capitol by students of Alabama State.
Hello, Harry. Yes, what exactly happened?
Well, sir, the article needs to read that,
Give me the phone, Harry. Hello, John. This is Bayard. You see, this needs to be hard-hitting. A few days back, a few students were ordering snacks, and the police came in and totally hit them. It was just brutal. They got arrested. Then the governor came out and said they were to be expelled from college. Absolutely ridiculous. So all these students started taking to the streets to protest, and the KKK came, was attacking all these students, while the police stood by and watched. They didn't do a thing. America needs to see what's happening here. Add the names of the prominent endorsers. People will be intrigued.
Bayard, I'm not sure that can happen. They haven't been contacted for their names to be used.
It's fine. They've been involved in the movement before and have already given their names.
Alright, thank you for the information. I'll get into the office.
Thank you, sir. We got a story for the country to see. Hey, Merton, did you see this new Times ad?
What is this? How could it be printed? Has the police station seen it?
I'm not sure.
Boys, have you seen this?
Canine, sit!
What the hell is this? How can I say this?
You bring this case against the New York Times to court, Sullivan, and you would win. I am confident because here in Alabama, the expression of opinion is protected only to the extent that it is rested on completely accurate information. This says clearly that they sing my song and my country 'tis of thee, when in fact they sing the Star Spangled Banner. Listen, we have more evidence that 4 of the ministers listed as sponsors of the ad testified that they had never seen it before and that their names had been used without permission.
Heck yeah!
The New York Times is found guilty of libel.
We need to appeal this. Take it to the Supreme Court. I have freedom of press and speech.
Order to the court. The court will now hear the Supreme Court case of Sullivan versus the New York Times. The prosecution may begin their oral argument.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client has been libelled by the New York Times. In the 3rd paragraph of the ad, it reads that the students sang My Country 'Tis of Thee when marching to the Capitol, when in fact they sang the Star Spangled Banner. Furthermore, the ad claims that the police rang the campus when in fact the police did not. Furthermore, the 4 names of the ministers listed as sponsors of the ad testified that they had never seen it before and the names had been used without permission. Therefore, because this ad includes so much false information, it is libelled by the Alabama and United States law.
Thank you, prosecution. The defense may now begin their oral argument.
Thank you, Your Honor. The New York Times had no intention of hurting L.B. Sullivan. John Murray and the newspaper had no reason to believe that the advertisement included false information, so they did not check their accuracy. Furthermore, no names of any police were included in the ad, so Sullivan was not directly attacked or even mentioned. If a newspaper had to check the accuracy of every single criticism of every public official, a free press would be severely limited and impede upon the press's First Amendment right.
So my name's Dale Jones, and I was out just having a stroll around DC when I saw these young students from Alabama State University just exercising their right of assembly. Out of nowhere, the KKK came and attacked them. They're brutally hitting them, like punching them to the ground. And the police was just standing there, doing nothing. They saw the whole thing happen, and they did not do anything to help them. My name's Deborah Walker. I work in the downtown Montgomery candy shop. I was just fetching these nice young students some candy when all of a sudden the police came in and started taking them off to the jail for no reason. They were read their rights, but they said they were arrested for no reason.
The prosecution and the defense now rest their cases. The court is adjourned. The court is now in session. After hearing both sides, the court has made a
Unanimous
decision. In the case of the Sullivan versus the New York Times, the United States Supreme Court
Unanimously
ruled in favor of the newspaper. The right to publish all statements is protected under the First Amendment. In order to prove libel, a public official must show that what was said against them was made with actual malice, that it is with knowledge that it was false, or with reckless disregard for the truth.
The First Amendment even protects intentional misrepresentation because it is important that public officials represent their citizens, and it is equally important that the citizens have the ability to criticize their elected officials. Therefore, the illegality of libel hinders this ability.
all speech must be protected under the First Amendment because if libel is considered illegal, punishing the writer depends on the jury's evaluation of the speaker's state of mind.